Legal practitioner Henry Shimutwikeni emphasized that Namibia's democratic stability should never be taken for granted. He warned that electoral manipulation and political intolerance have eroded democracy elsewhere in Africa. Shimutwikeni urged all stakeholders, from voters to political parties, to uphold the rule of law, transparency, and peaceful participation during the electoral process.
And I don't mean this in any kind of offensive way to other African countries, but we've seen that when that ordinarily happens, the countries go into chaos. So it's unfortunate what happened in Tanzania. We can learn from that only to appreciate, I believe, where we are. We should respect our systems, respect rule of law, and respect our dispute resolution mechanisms.
Yes.
I'm extremely unimpressed with the fact that there's no legal or regulatory framework for the electoral system. Yes, then it's warranted. But we shouldn't unnecessarily agitate for the sake of agitation. We should self-introspect as well. If ECN can make mistakes, political parties must concede that they too can make mistakes.
Echoing the same sentiment, Electoral Commission of Namibia senior legal officer Alpheus Haufiku assured the nation that the commission is ready to deliver a credible and transparent election. He acknowledged minor concerns raised during the nomination process, but reaffirmed that the ECN remains committed to fairness and accountability. Haufiku further called on eligible voters to turn out in large numbers on election day, describing voting as both a constitutional right and a civic duty essential to sustaining Namibia's democracy.
26th of November is fast approaching. We should make sure that we have our voting cards. We should make sure that we prepared. Of course, there will be opportunity as from the 17th of this month for those who have lost their voters card to receive duplicate, to be issued with duplicate. That's provided in terms of the Electoral Act, and that issuance of duplicate will continue, I believe, up to the 23rd, because 24th will be then a special voting for those officials who will then manage our processes.
Right.
So again,
briefly.
Yes, again, as a final one is just to say, yes, Namibians, please, let's handle our democracy with maturity.
The regional and local authority elections are scheduled for the 26th of this month.